Hey guys, my name is Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm just going to be showing you how I put these clip-ins that I purchased from Outre, or the brand is Outre. Just going to show you how I install them. So if you want to see how I got this look together, stay tuned. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, share with a friend, subscribe to the channel, also turn on your post notification bell so you never miss an upload, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Okay guys, so today I'm going to be doing a little try on. I've never used these before. These are some clip-ins that I purchased online from Outre. They're called Big Beautiful Hair clip-in. So you get 9 pieces, and it's kinky straight, and it's 18-inch, and the color I got was jet black. So these are supposed to be like some seamless clip-ins. To me, they don't look as big and bulky as the regular ones that I've seen before. So we're gonna try them out with you guys. So it says 100% hair blend, human hair premium. So I guess it's mixed with human hair and synthetic hair, right? So we're gonna be trying them out, and they come in all varieties of color. So I'm gonna just get my mirror. We're gonna put her up here, and so my hair is already, I just braided it down, right? My hair is braided down, you know, some cornrows, and all I did was just left out like this much, a little piece, right? So we're gonna just start by getting this out of the way. And I just did this makeup look just in case you're wondering, like, why her face looks so glamorous. Alrighty, so I bought 2 of them because I wasn't sure if one would be enough, right? So it just comes like that. Alright, so we haven't measured them or anything. So since it's just for the video, I'm just gonna leave my hair. Hanging down because we're not going out, so it doesn't have to be perfect. But I just want to show you guys how I put them in. Let me just put this little scrunchie on my hair, so it can just be in one, and I'll just put it over that. But if you want, you could pin up your hair. So they come in like 3 inches, 5 inches, 7 inches, and 12 inches. So you're just gonna take them out and measure. So each of them comes like with the number on it, so you could see what inches they are. So this one's 8 inch and this one is 7. Right, so we're gonna take out a piece to put it in the back. Let's see. This is good. I don't think I'm gonna start from too far down. All right, so let me show you guys how they're looking. This one has 3 clips, and it's, to me, I think it's very, very flat. Okay, so I'm just gonna take them all off the thing here and just keep them here in front of me. So let's go in with this one. Like I said, I'm just gonna leave my hair. This is how my hair is looking in the back, by the way, right? So let me just turn around. First, you want to make sure that it's closed. You want to pop it, like just pushing it in, just to pop the clips open. So you open them. See? So I'm just going to turn around, and I'm just going to turn around and just stick the clip in like that in my hair. Close it by pressing it down. Okay, the other one, push it in your hair, and you push it until you hear it kind of pops, right? Like that. So that's how it's looking. I mean, instant long hair. All right, so we're just gonna continue and do a little bit more. So I don't think one pack would have been enough for what, you know, I want it to be a little full. All right, this one has 3 clips. So we're just gonna continue doing the same thing. We're not looking to see where we're putting them, we're just going a little bit above this one, okay? So if this one is like this, so I'm just gonna feel my way around and put this one a little bit higher. All right. Up it. Make sure you put it properly in your hair, so if not, it won't be able to close. Okay. Okay, so that's how we're looking. If you see my hair a little bit bulky back there, that's because I didn't secure my hair. I just put it in. So this one has 4 also, so I'm gonna use, I don't think this one's closed. Okay, so now we're gonna stick one here, and then, you know, just continue. So I'm gonna probably speed up a little bit of it so you guys just don't sit here watching me popping some clips in my hair. I don't want you to get bored. Okay, and then this one came around. All right, so it's pretty. I like the texture. Feels like my kind of hair when it's relaxed, or our kind of hair when it's relaxed. So that's how we're looking so far. So let me put a few more and then I'll come back to show you the back, okay, and show you how it looks. All right, so this one has 5. All right, so you know this one is going to go around.
A new station alert has arrived.
So I'm just going to put the first one here. I just want to show you guys this one since it's longer. And I'm just gonna pop it in like, the thing is, you don't even, you can put these in between your hair if you want to. You don't necessarily have to, you know, braid your hair down, but my hair was gonna be braided anyways, so I can wear my wig. All right, so it's long, it's cute. Okay, girl. All right, so I'm gonna finish off this time seriously and come back to do the front. So I wanted to show you guys where we are. So this is not fully 1 pack. This is like almost 1 pack. So there was a short piece and I just put it right here at the top. So we have like about 3 more pieces. Yeah, 4 more pieces. They're short also. So I'm just going to take one here and pop it in the middle. And then I'll just use one more and put it on this side. So, you know, you just pop them in where you need them, right? And since there's another pack, I don't have to worry about not having. I'm gonna put one more up top. I mean, this looks like it's human hair, 100%. So the back, that's how the back's looking. Okay, so I'm just going to fill in a little bit more. As a matter of fact, I don't really have to. It's full. So we're just gonna use the other pack and just pop in a couple more pieces, and then I'll have to straighten my hair. So when I get to the very, 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 very top, then I'll come back and show you. Okay? Okay, guys. So we're at the top, right? So as you can see, I angled my braids like a little going this way. So that means that I'm going to now put these clips in at an angle. So I'm just going to stick that one in there. First, let me open it. I'm going to stick that one in here. Right? And then stick this one here. This is so cute. So I'm just going to use the shorter ones for the top. So this one just has 2 clips. All right, so I'm gonna stick one here. Trying to get it closer to the edge, so. All right, we're just gonna put one here at the top. One close to the part, like right there, right? See it? And then the other one right here, make sure that it's flat. Okay. Okay. It's flat. And I think I'm gonna see if I can put one more, like right into this little space right there. I think this is the smallest that it comes, just with 2. Uh-oh. Okay, it's very full, so we're gonna put the last one right here, make sure it's flat, and just pop it. And then this one is gonna like overlap that one a little bit. You know, you have to play with them. Okay. Okay, so wow, let me take the hair around to the front so you could see it. So this is how it's looking, right? That's how it's looking. It comes like right to my. Okay guys, so this is how we're looking. It's very cute, very cute. Let me turn it around so you can see the back side and see how far it goes down. Okay, so let me just work on the little part that I have left out. Okay, so I'm just going to split my hair. Split this little part in 2. I didn't leave out a lot, guys, like I said. That should be good. Alrighty, so I'm gonna put a little bit of oil on my hair. Alright, and I'm going to take some of this wax stick and put it on my hair, especially the ends. Okay, so I'm just gonna use the pressing comb first and just pass it through my hair one time. I don't want to burn out my hair just for some clip-ins, you know what I mean? I'm gonna use the comb. Try to do the chase method, right? Okay guys, I'm gonna go flat my hair and come back because where I'm sitting the cord is not, I don't have enough space, so the cord is not long enough. So let me just go flatten the top and I'll just come back and show it to you, okay? Okay guys, so I'm back. So this is how we're looking after I flattened my hair out. I had to take out I had an extra piece and I had to take it out. So I'm just trying to fix my part so that I have enough coverage for this track over here. Alrighty. So what I'm going to do is take this one out and just like kind of angle it this way more. Like so. Not, okay. And then I'll just put this over it to cover it. And I'm feeling so hot, guys. So these are how the clip-ins are looking. I mean, I really like them. I just get a brush, just be very careful and just brush it down. I guess I can put it behind my ear if I want to, you know, like that, and just wear it down like this. I have my edge control. I'm just gonna put a little bit right here, just on this little tiny piece. So we'll just wear it. I'm just gonna turn around so you guys could see the back. So this is just, you know, another option if you want to change up your hair a little bit. This is what, you know, you can do. Let's get some clip-ins. This is how it's looking in the front. Let me put it all the way in the back and show you. Alright, so okay guys, so this is how we're looking after flat iron my hair. You guys get the gist of what I'm trying to do, I should say. You get the gist. You can put them however, you can just put half of them, but this is how my part is looking. Right? You can put less, or you know, however you like. So I really like this. This is just a different way that I can change my hair. Right? So let me put everything to the front so you could see how full it is. It's very full. See, full. It goes right down to my boob. Right? And let's put everything into the back. Okay guys, so there you have it. These are these beautiful clip-ins from Outre. I'll be sure to leave the link down in the comments section or in the description section. Let me know what you think. Let me know if this is something that you'll try. Okay? And just like that, we have come to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed the quick tutorial. Hope that it was very easy. I will leave the links of everything that I used down in the comment section. Again guys, if you like the video, remember, thumbs it up please, share with a friend, subscribe to the channel, also turn on your post notification bell so you never miss an upload, and I'll see you guys next time.